Welcome to a world where every leaf tells a story of survival and beauty. Let's explore the captivating realm of tropical plants. We live in a world teeming with diversity, each corner of our planet showcasing its unique palette of flora. And nowhere is this diversity more apparent than in the tropics. The tropics, a vibrant band of lands straddling the equator, are a riot of life, a symphony of color, texture, and form. It's a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the familiar is transformed into the exotic. Let's embark on a journey through this rich tapestry of life, starting with the lush jungles of Central and South America. Here, plants have evolved to thrive in the warm, humid conditions, producing a dazzling array of foliage and flowers. Think of the bromeliads with their rosette of spiky leaves and bright funnel-shaped blooms, or the heliconia, aptly named lobster claws for their striking, claw-like flowers. Next, we venture to the steamy rainforests of Southeast Asia, home to the majestic Rafflesia, the world's largest flower, and the delicate orchids, with their intricate blooms that have captivated flower enthusiasts for centuries. We then traverse to the arid landscapes of Africa, where the baobab tree stands tall, its thick, bottle-shaped trunk and sparse, leafy canopy, a stark contrast against the clear blue sky. And let's not forget the Madagascar periwinkle, a humble yet resilient plant that has adapted to thrive in these harsh, dry conditions. Finally, we arrive at the sprawling wetlands of Australia, where the water lily floats serenely on the water's surface, its vibrant flowers a beacon of life amidst the still, tranquil waters. Each of these plants, with their unique forms and adaptations, contributes to the rich tapestry of the tropics. They are a testament to the power of nature, to the resilience of life, and to the beauty that arises from diversity. Now that we've dipped our toes into this vibrant world, let's discover how to bring it into your backyard. And remember, no matter where you live, you can create your own slice of paradise, a testament to the wonders of the tropics. Ever wondered if you can mimic the tropics in your own backyard? You certainly can. Let's delve into creating the perfect environment for your tropical plants. Now, the key to creating a tropical paradise lies in understanding how to replicate a microclimate that these exotic beauties love. And it's easier than you might think. Let's start with the soil. Tropical plants adore well-draining, rich and nutritious soil. You can achieve this by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to your garden soil. This not only improves drainage but also provides your plants with the nutrients they need to flourish. But remember, tropical plants are not just about the soil. They need a good drink too. Their natural habitat is a place of high rainfall, so regular watering is essential. Install a drip irrigation system or a sprinkler, and ensure your plants receive a good soak, especially during the hotter months. Sunlight is another vital ingredient in the recipe for a tropical paradise. Most tropical plants thrive in bright, indirect light. While some can tolerate direct sunlight, too much can scorch their leaves. So, choose a spot in your garden that gets plenty of light but not the harsh afternoon sun. Now let's talk about temperature. Tropical plants love warmth. If you live in a cooler climate, you might need to provide some extra heat. Consider using a greenhouse or a cloche during the colder months. And finally, let's not forget about humidity. Tropical plants love moisture in the air. You can increase humidity by grouping plants together or by using a sprayer to mist the leaves. Creating the right environment might seem like a lot of work, but remember, you're trying to recreate an entire ecosystem here. And once it's set up, maintaining it is a piece of cake. So there you have it, folks. With the right soil, watering system, light arrangement, temperature, and humidity, you can create a perfect little tropical paradise right in your backyard. With the right environment, your tropical plants will thrive. Now, let's see which plants will best suit your garden. From towering palms to vibrant flowers, let's explore some tropical plants that are both stunning and easy to care for. The tropics are teeming with diverse species, each with its own unique charm and care requirements. First up, we have the classic hibiscus. Known for their large, colorful blooms, these plants truly encapsulate the tropical spirit. Hibiscus thrive in well-drained soil and love a good dose of sunlight. Water them regularly, but be sure not to overwater. Their flamboyant flowers provide a captivating spectacle, especially in the warmer months. Next on the list is the bird of paradise. This plant is a true showstopper with its unusual flower shape resembling a bird in flight. It enjoys a sunny spot and needs ample water and well-drained soil. With its striking foliage and flowers, it's a surefire way to add a tropical touch to your garden. Then we have the magnificent elephant ear plant, named for its large heart-shaped leaves. This plant loves a shady spot and plenty of water. It's a fantastic choice if you're after a plant that brings a sense of drama and scale to your garden. For those who prefer something a bit more low maintenance, the spider plant is a great choice. These plants are hardy, easy to grow, and their arching leaves add a lovely softness to any space. They can tolerate a range of light conditions, but they're happiest in bright, indirect light. Finally, let's not forget about the iconic palm. There are many varieties to choose from, but one of the most popular is the areca palm. Known for their feathery fronds, these palms can make any garden feel like a tropical oasis. They appreciate a sunny spot, regular watering, and well-drained soil. Remember, these are just a few examples of the many tropical plants you can incorporate into your garden. Each of these plants has its own unique care needs, so be sure to do your research before diving in. Armed with the knowledge of these tropical beauties, let's delve into some practical planting and care tips. Planting and caring for your tropical plants can be a rewarding journey. Let's walk you through this process. It all begins with the planting. Select a location that offers the right amount of sunlight, preferably a spot that receives a few hours of morning sun and shade in the afternoon. Dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of your plant. Place your tropical plant in the hole, ensuring it's at the same depth it was in the pot. Then backfill the hole with a rich, well-draining soil mix, tamping it down gently to remove any air pockets. Watering your tropical plants is an art. These plant species thrive on humidity and consistent moisture, but they don't enjoy waterlogged roots. So water deeply but infrequently, allowing the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. And don't forget to mist your plants regularly to mimic the humid conditions of their natural habitat. Fertilizing is the next step. Tropical plants are heavy feeders and require a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to support their lush growth. Apply the fertilizer around the base of the plant, following the manufacturer's instructions, and water it in thoroughly. Remember, too much fertilizer can be harmful, so it's better to err on the side of caution. Pruning is the final piece of the puzzle. It's not only about maintaining the shape and size of your plants, but also about promoting healthier growth. Remove dead or yellowing leaves as they appear, and trim back any overgrown branches during the cooler months when the plant is less active. Proper care is crucial for your tropical paradise. But what about the challenges? Let's tackle some common issues. Every garden faces challenges. Let's discuss common pests and diseases that affect tropical plants and how to overcome them. When you venture into the world of tropical gardening, you'll likely meet some uninvited guests. Aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites can be a nuisance. These pests often feed on the sap of plants, causing wilting and discoloration. But fear not. You can keep these pests at bay with natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soap. For fungal diseases like leaf spot or root rot, ensure your plants aren't overwatered and have proper drainage. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, plants still fall sick. It's important to quarantine affected plants to prevent the spread of disease. With patience and care, your plants can bounce back to health. Remember, every problem has a solution. With the right care and attention, you can overcome these hurdles. Now let's wrap up with some inspiration. Imagine stepping into your own tropical haven, right in your backyard. Let's inspire you with some stunning tropical gardens. Picture a realm where towering palms sway gently in the breeze, their shadows dancing over a carpet of vibrant bromeliads. See the sun's rays filtering through the lush canopy, casting a dappled glow on a myriad of exotic flowers, their vivid hues painting a masterpiece only nature can create. Visualize a corner where ferns unfurl their delicate fronds, their intricate patterns a testament to the marvel of evolution. Envision a place where the air is heavy with the intoxicating scent of jasmine, their delicate blossoms a beacon for hummingbirds and butterflies alike. But remember, this isn't just a dream. This tropical paradise can be your reality. With the right plants and a bit of care, you can create a lush, exotic retreat right in your garden. Your tropical paradise awaits. Dive in and let the vibrant world of tropical plants transform your outdoor space.